Okay, this phone makes a really weird beeping sound. I'm not sure what's wrong with it. We tried to figure it out. We tried to do all that we could to turn it off. We're not sure if it's defected or not, but it seems like it's a pretty old phone here. So just listen to that beep. So you hear that beep? Not sure what that beep is. I'm trying to get closer. It's coming from the speaker. Yeah, I'm not sure what that beep is. Weird. Well, yeah, I'm not exactly sure what the beep is, but we're all still trying to figure it out. We're trying to figure out how to turn it off so it can quit beeping like that. But anyways, I'll share that video with you. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.